Okay, so from the last video, we have already proved that sine 45, cosine 45, and tangent 45 degrees. So for this video, I'm going to prove the 30 degrees and also the 60 degrees and how these values are coming from. So in order to generate a 30 degrees or 60 degrees right triangle, the idea is coming from the equilateral triangle. So equilateral triangle, by definition, each side of this triangle has the same length. So for example, this picture here shows you the triangle is 2 centimeters, right? So basically, if I'm going to cut this line, cut through the blue line here, you can see that I have a right triangle, which is similar to this one, right? So basically, this one is a 30 degrees or 60 degrees right triangle if I cut through this line. So next, I want to calculate the value of sine 30 degrees. So how could you calculate the value of sine 30 degrees? So remember, this one is my target. So sine 30 degrees, this side is my opposite side. So 1 centimeters is my opposite. And I'm going to divide by the hypotenuse, so which is 2 centimeters. So that's why sine 30 degrees will have 1 over 2. So cosine 30 degrees, we need to use adjacent side, so which is the A value, divided by 2. So how could we find the A value? So it's the same thing, right? So we are going to use Pythagoras Theorem to calculate the side A. So for the side A, right, so we are taking the hypotenuse square minus opposite square. So it's 2 square minus 1 square, and we take the square root. And we got 4 minus 1, so it's just root 3. So I know that the A is going to be root 3. So this is my length for the adjacent side for 30 degrees, so this one. So cosine 30 degrees is your adjacent, so which is root 3 divided by 2. So cosine 30 degrees is root 3 divided by 2. So what about tangent 30 degrees? Tangent 30 degrees, we take the opposite, so which is this one, opposite to 30 degrees divided by root 3. So which is 1 over root 3. Okay, so coming back for this chart, we have proven sine 30 degrees is 1/2. Cosine 30 degrees is root 3 over 2. So because the adjacent is root 3 and hypotenuse is 2, so tangent 30 degrees, I prove you is 1 over root 3. Okay, so last thing, I'm going to do the 60 degrees. So, and we're going to use this right triangle as well. So 60 degrees, if I want to calculate cosine 60 degrees, so how could we do that? So this is my 60 degrees, so which means that this one would be my adjacent side. I'm taking adjacent side 1 centimeters divided by 2 centimeters. So that's why we got cosine 60 degrees is 1/2, right? So I prove this to you. And also, sine 60 degrees, I'm going to take this one, my opposite to the 60 degrees, so which is root 3 divided by 2, right? So that's why we got sine 60 degrees equals to root 3 over 2. Yeah, that's correct. So tangent 60 degrees, so we have the opposite side, which is root 3 divided by adjacent side, which is 1 centimeter. So it's root 3, right? That's correct. So I've already proved all these values to you guys. So basically, I hope you guys understand all the concept I'm talking about